This is ERi-TV you're watching. Dear viewers, welcome to English News Broadcast for this hour. Wishing you a Merry Christmas is me Bersa Betakhla, and following are the major headlines for today. Effort exerted to ensure potable water supply across the country. Call made to preserve tourism resources in Gashbarka region. Chad votes in favor of new constitution backed by military rulers. And a rebel attack in western Burundi kills at least 20 people. On your domestic reports, the Ministry of Land, Water and Environment reported that strong effort is being exerted to ensure potable water supply across the country. Mr. Misgina Gabraselase, Director of Water Resources in the region, said that potable water projects operating by solar system have been put in place in the subzones of Logo Anseba, Gonyi, Mogolo, Dekamhare, Dubarwa and Karen. And commendable water project maintenance activities have been carried out in many parts of the Anseba and northern Red Sea regions. Mr. Misgina went on to say that new water pipelines have been installed in the southern, Anseba, central and Gashbarka regions. Mr. Misgina also said that training programs have been organized to youth workers from 63 subzones in the country for follow-up on the potable water projects and to ensure their sustainability. Colonel Hamid Yusuf, Director General of Tourism in Gashbarka region, called on the public and government institutions to conduct integrated effort to identify and preserve tourism resources in the region, indicating that social diversity, landscape, agricultural infrastructure and ancient remnants are part of their tourism resources. Mr. Hamid said that the effort carried out at Elite Mountain, Haikota subzone, to identify and document tourism resources was part of the effort. Mr. Shikhaddin Saleh, administrator of Haikota subzone, for his part indicating that the subzone is rich in tourism resources, including agricultural infrastructure and natural heritage, said that effort is being carried out to organize visits to areas rich in historical resources and thereby encourage the public to strengthen participation in their preservation. Mr. Simrat Gabramedhin, Head of Research and Follow-up of Tourism Resources, said that initial research has been carried out at the Elite Mountain to identify and document natural tourism resources and called on all stakeholders to strengthen participation in the finalization of the research. On your last local report, seminar focusing on ensuring rights and avoiding harmful practices was organized to residents of the administrative areas of Dersela, Aleda and Gazadunkur Areza subzone. Nurse Zerom Zelmo, head of the health service in the subzone, who provided extensive briefing on the consequences of female genital mutilation, underage marriages and other harmful practices, called on the public in general and women in particular to conduct active participation in avoiding such harmful practices. Nurse Zerom also called for proper treatment of children with a view to ensure their bright future when they reach adulthood and take strong corrective measures on those who violate the law. The participants, for their part, expressed readiness to play due part and effort and called for taking strong measures on those that are taking part in the harmful practices. Dear viewers, we will take a short break, but coming up will be international news and more. Please stay tuned. Welcome back. Chadians have voted in favor of a new constitution that critics say could help consolidate the power of the military leader Mohamed Idris Deby. The referendum held earlier this month was approved by 86% of voters. The government commission said that on Sunday. Chad's military authorities have called the vote a vital stepping stone to elections next year. The new constitution will maintain a unitary state, which Chad has had since independence, while establishing autonomous communities with local assemblies and councils of traditional chiefdoms, among other changes. On today's final report, gunmen have killed at least 20 people and wounded 9 others near Burundi's western border with Democratic Republic of the Congo, an official has told reporters. According to reports, those killed in the Friday evening raid on the town of Vugizo included 12 children, 2 pregnant women, and a police officer. The attack was claimed by the Red Tabara rebel group, considered a terrorist group by the Burundian authorities. The Red Tabara rebel group claimed on social media platform X to have killed 9 soldiers and 1 police officer. However, the group denied having targeted any civilians. You're still watching ERi-TV, dear viewers, and now a very quick recap of the major headlines. Efforts exerted to ensure potable water supply across the country. Call made to preserve tourism resources in Gashbarka region. Chad votes in favor of new constitution backed by military rulers. And a rebel attack in western Burundi kills at least 20 people. That was all for today, dear viewers. Thanks for watching, and again, Merry Christmas.